Since the year 2015 we started with a partnership with IMA Schelling Group. IMA and Schelling go together, and it is accepted by the market. Our salary grows and projects become bigger. We also have very good success on this, and we're happy about it. The grade of automation needs to get higher and higher, and we are prepared for this challenge. We invent IPC.NET carrying all over the machine controls. We invest in the robot technology, and we have a couple of more topics for the future. We are working together with COBUS since the early 1990s, and with COBUS we invented our IMA POP. At the Ligner Fair 2019 in Hanover we will present the new software IMA POP 11, which is the best for our CNC machining centers.